Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. Another obscure product or kind of random product I want to share with you guys on the channel. Something I added to my kitchen the other day and I wanted to share it because a lot of times with some of these great products we're going to find on Amazon that you can add to your home or apartment or wherever you may live, you know, there's not always videos of people putting stuff like this up. Either you run a YouTube channel and you do this on a consistent basis, or you don't. And honestly, there's stuff like this, average, normal people stuff, you don't find a lot on YouTube. And so if you're, you can go and look for inspiration in some of these dream home magazines and find beautiful, elaborate kitchens. But we're back on planet Earth where a lot of us live, we don't have insane houses and insane kitchens. I live in a middle class home. I love it, don't get me wrong. It's a real, my pride and joy. But I don't have a big giant center island and big granite crazy kitchen, that can feed an army of people. It's a very small kitchen. But stuff like this are things when you have small space or smaller space, you want to find things that are going to help to add some storage solutions, right? And so in my kitchen, I don't have a big center island, but I did have this kind of large, which was super ugly when I moved in. When I bought the place back in 04, this area here was a big giant fluorescent light. So what I did is I took that down, I added some nice halogen track lighting up there, and for years this was just an open waste of space. My kitchen has I believe this is like a 7-foot ceiling. Most normal ceilings are 8 foot. The rest of my house is 8 feet. I think they did this in the kitchen for maybe some of the ducting. Not really sure, it's just how they designed it. But this space is actually 8 feet. So I wanted to do something to add a little bit more storage. Again, the kitchen's not huge, and let's face it, we accumulate a lot of things over the years. I'm not a professional chef by any means, but I have a lot of stuff for the kitchen. And so what I want to do is just have an easier way to store some pots and pans. They never fit in cabinets, and unless you have a custom kitchen with a lot of cabinets that are designed for pots and pans, they just get in the way. So I added two things I want to share with you guys. This is straight off Amazon, and again, the purpose of the video is just to give some people some inspiration. If you're looking for something for a smaller kitchen, some kind of creative ways to store some things, this might be an option for you. So super affordable as well. So one of the things I added was this very inexpensive, it's about $20, basically pop bar. So you can use this for utensils or whatnot. It comes with the hooks. Let me just show you guys here. Give you guys just kind of a close-up view of this. It comes with the sort of wrought iron looking hooks. And you can mount this. Looks just kind of like a towel bar, but smaller. It allows you to mount some pots and pans and some utensils. You can put it over the oven, which I already have something kind of similar over here. So I wanted to do something with this space here. I don't have any kind of any kind of plants growing here or anything like that. So I wanted to do something that would allow me to put a drip rack here and add some pots or pans and get them out of the way and really take advantage of that space. So that worked out perfectly. The other area, of course, is this area I was just showing you, and this is the pot rack. This pot rack is basically just a chromed, I don't know if it's just aluminum or stainless steel or whatever, but super affordable. Comes with all the hooks and the chains, and I basically just mounted that with some sheetrock anchors. Again, if you're going to mount this directly to sheetrock, you want to make sure you get anchors that are weight rated for what you might put on this. The only downside with this is I had to cut the chains and mount it to 4 different spots, so that allowed me to get this thing closer to the ceiling. I lose the ability to store stuff on top of that, but you could slide some small items up there if you wanted to. But for me, I just wanted something that was going to store pots and pans. Now, a lot of my pans are older. I've had them for years. I am going to upgrade to some more of the copper stuff just for the aesthetics. They're dual purpose. They look nice, and of course, they're functional too. I may end up going stainless. Not really sure yet. I'm going to get rid of these red pans. I've had them for years, but it works, and it's super cost effective. This thing was only 39 bucks, and you really can't go wrong. I've seen some guys on YouTube reviewing this product, and again, it's a really cheap, affordable product, and a lot of people on YouTube who are influencers don't want to be bothered with inexpensive products like this, because if you're an influencer and you have affiliate links like I do, it doesn't really make you a lot of money, and it's not something that everybody's going to keep viewing. But the point is that something like this might solve a problem for somebody, in their kitchen or whatnot, and I don't know, might find some inspiration to help somebody out. So if if that video wasn't awkward enough, right? So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share it again because so many people, when I'm looking for something, I'm always trying to find, let me see what that'll look like. Just like before I got this, I'm trying to find pictures of somebody who had it. And unfortunately, sometimes when they install things and they add things to their home, sometimes they're not done in the best of taste, you know. And I'm not trying to insult anybody. I'm not calling anybody out. But I saw a couple of videos where they mount these things in areas where they just, it looks cluttered and just ugly, right? And so this might give you some ideas on where you want to mount something like this, and it might work for you in your kitchen. Yeah, you know, I wanted to share it. It's a great product. I'm happy with it. So anyway, guys, if I can help you in any way, drop me a comment, drop me an email. As always, guys, if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel. Really short video, but I just wanted to show you the product. Again, it comes with the hooks, the chain. Only thing about it, the chain when it comes to the top of the rack, it's actually connected in 2 points. So you will have to, if you're going to do something like I did to get it up high enough, you will have to cut the chain and make it a 4-mount rack as opposed to just a 2-mount rack. So really easy to do. If you guys do want to buy this and you have any questions, you guys know I'm always here to help you guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a great evening and take care.